Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Here I am, Treasure Island. I so want to come to this place, and after so many years, finally I am here. And on my way coming here, I listened to the stories and explanations. It has changed so much. The beautiful scene behind me, that's San Francisco. Okay, so we will go inside and I will tell you the story, okay? So as I am walking, I will slowly introduce something. Did you see there is a very bright light point? Did you see the reflection of, because it's not the same as my eyes reflection. Oh, that very bright light. That is, I think it's an infinity sculpture. I have been there. It's by a mathematician, that Japanese mathematician designed. We may have a chance to go there. Anyway, there are a lot of changes. There is a marina I have never seen before when I came here. And you have seen that white buildings. It's newly built. I think there was one time I came here and I saw that that place in construction, and I took some selfie there. And I had been there earlier this year, something like July, August. And that was one of the commercial developers, kind of meet up to introduce to some CEOs and corporate big boss and trying to sell their house. We will go there later. And this is my most cherished, beloved Treasure Island, City Hall. Now let's take a look. The scene is really stunning, beautiful, especially when the sun's setting down. You can see the Golden Gate Bridge, you can see the Bay Bridge, everything, and Alcatraz Park. Now let's get in. Oh, there is some music there. There must be someone making some practice and performance. So a little bit history about this place. This is a Treasure Island, a man-made island made by people, men and women, in the current political way to say it. So it was a Golden Gate International Fair. And you can see these are the sculptures from the International Fair, International Exhibition. Oh, what is going on there? Oh, there's a restaurant there. I can see some people preparing food or something. I hope their sound was not too big to be unable that you do not hear me. So here is the sculpture here. These are the sculpture for the 1939 Golden Gate International Fair. International Exhibition World Fair. And this is our most beautiful, the City Hall. And now it seems becomes a little bit commercialized. Oh, there is a restaurant or bar, and this does not look like the same. Oh my goodness, this looks very, very different. So it seems that this place has changed a lot. You cannot even hear me. I will do voice over.